and welcome to Vlogmas. That's right, my first ever Vlogmas. We are going to try and do every single day videos. Hope you guys enjoy them. Smash that subscribe button if you're not already. I'm really trying to hit 4K subscribers. Today's video, guys, we are going to be finishing off the wire tug. I have already been working on it a little bit, and I know in one of my other videos of doing the passenger side of the wire tug, I didn't really give you a full idea of, or a full look of how it is done and buttoned up. Let me go ahead and show you. So as you guys can see, it is all nice and tidy, super clean. We got the headlight harness out of the way. We got the we have the positive terminal battery or the cable out of the way, and my air ride cable out of the way as well. And now we have begun doing this side. As you can see, it is already done. So this is pretty much gonna go there. Really all I have is it has to be extended quite a bit. There you go. So this is the airbag, so this has to be extended, and this is plugging into there. And as you can see, yeah, quite a bit of a distance. And then we have these two right here that go all the way over there. Why these two are all the way over there, I don't know. Why they didn't just attach it on that side. It is what it is. And then as far as, I need to air the car up. I aired it out just to make sure everything is fine. Oh, and then I do have to still extend this. And then the headlight actual cable ends about here. So it has to be extended all of that much. And then on the other side, let me see if I can find it. Here we go. We have this here. So this is the other side. We still have to finish. So quite a bit of work to do. And to top all of it off when we are done, I do have a new part for the engine bay that is going to make the biggest difference in my opinion. It's something every G35 should have come with from factory, but it didn't for whatever stupid reason. So nonetheless, guys, you guys are going to find out what that is at the end. But right now, I'm going to get the car aired up, and we're going to begin extending. Pretty much, I went to the store, picked up some wire, picked up some wire butts, a lot of them. And we're going to pretty much get into it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please make sure to leave a fat thumbs up. And if you guys have any questions at all, and you guys, this is something that you guys want to do, leave a comment down below, and I definitely will get back to you. I get back to all the comments sooner or later. Guys, I just finished up installing this harness completely. It's plugged in. Before, I had an issue where the turn signal wasn't working, but the other check mark was. It turned out it was nothing to do with my wiring or anything. The circuit in here, it was like a circuit board came loose. I had to open it up, fix it. I did that the other day. So I just plugged in the battery again. So let's go ahead and turn the hazards on, see if they work, and then we'll turn on the headlights. All right. No. Still not working again. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so that's working. It's just a short, it's like I said, it has nothing to do with my wiring. And I know that because I tested it on his car and I got it to work. So it's, let me see if I can try to show you guys. Okay. Where is it at? It's hard to see under here, actually. I think it's like where this green wire is. Let me see. Where is that green wire at? Actually, it's right here. It's... I'm looking at the camera trying to do it. It's this wire. Alright, I'm gonna have to figure it out. But if I can get this to work, it looks like I'm gonna have to order some new headlights. so I apologize. My camera ended up dying. But I did get some stuff done. As you can see, the fender is removed. Right now I am in the process of extending the headlight part. But I'm so over it. It's the same thing. Cut, you know, splice this, that, everything. It's getting old, and I'm over it. But that's the last part to do, and once that is done, I actually want to pull that one back apart and make it longer, just so it's easier to plug. It plugs in, but it's a little bit too short. So I'm gonna do that actually probably tomorrow. I'll work on it just because I'm waiting on more connectors to come in. I ordered a whole kit because I'm actually running out. I'm one short of doing that side, and so I'm not gonna do it. I'm over it. So what I do want to do right now is I'm gonna slide this fender back on, and then I want to open up a new toy that we got for the engine bay. And I think it's really going to make a big difference on the car. My workbench is very dirty, so please ignore that. But right here we got a new part. This is from Z1 Motorsports. First I thought I ordered the wrong part because it says has like 300ZX, 370Z, but I think that's just what they all do. But anyways, sorry. Hopefully the angle is good. Yeah, I'm too lazy to do anything right now, so I didn't want to get my tripod out and everything. But we're dropping some stuff. Cool. So it looks like we got some Z1 Motorsport stickers. Awesome. Love stickers. And a lot of paper. Alright. So, I'm excited. We got mounts, brackets, and everything in case you guys can try to take a guess what it is. You guys ready? Here we go. Beautiful. Now you may be wondering, but you already got one. This is what the car should have come with. You have this beautiful finished panel here, and then you have this empty space right there. It's very unfortunate. It really does suck. And so what Z1 Motorsports offers is a panel that will actually, I thought I ordered the wrong one. I thought it was that. I was like, no. But, oh my God, did I? Hold on, I'm like tripping out right now. Okay, no, yeah, it should go like this. Or something. I gotta figure it out. Dude, I did not buy the wrong one. Hold on. I'm tripping. Let me figure it out. But yeah, this goes right there. So let me actually, yeah, I am gonna have to get the tripod adapter so I can set you guys up. And let's get it installed. It does come, like I said, with mounts and everything. And then it has directions right here. So that way we figure out exactly how it goes on. Alright guys, perfect. So I got you set up. First things first, yeah, let's go ahead. Definitely, I already know that's going to have to come off. This one will definitely need to come off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretty much look at the instructions because I just want to make sure we get it done right. Alright guys, so we got to remove some stuff. This 10 mil bolt here that goes to nothing, it looks like. Bolts into this. Got to remove this. Okay. And then we have one. Yeah, actually, there is another 10 over there. I think it's pretty loose. I'm gonna see if I can try to do this without removing it, because then I have to remove the wipers and everything. Not that it's hard, but I just really don't want to have to do that. But there is this piece right here. All of this has to actually get cut out. So I'm just gonna use my snips and just get her cut out. This is crazy. I literally thought this piece was just gonna be like bolt right in. So this bracket now, I have to remove it. So I gotta cut that, and then I believe from here I have to cut all of this, and then it should, I guess, work. And then I have to put in the new bracket somewhere, which is this bracket right here. Wait, we have one here, and then this one as well is what it came with. So I'm gonna just go ahead and trim everything out, show you what it is I trimmed, and then also get these in, and then the rest, it just comes with clips. It's mainly just these two brackets. So I'm gonna get these installed, get everything cut that needs to be cut, and then I'll just show you guys what it is I did. Yeah, this I ended up cutting right here, all of this, but all of it has to be cut. But what I did was actually bent it and then use my hammer and dolly. That way it's a nice clean, and then this is cut. And then this bracket was removed, and then it doesn't even tell you where the new brackets are supposed to go. So I don't know, but let's just go ahead, and I'm gonna look at the picture and try to see how it's supposed to go on. It literally doesn't tell you anything. It just says cut this, remove this, install. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. So I don't really know where or how any of this is supposed to go on. Okay guys, so I got it on, and it is on. I'm gonna say right now, we're not fully done with it. I am gonna create my own brackets. However, I did get 2 mounting places done on it, but there's one other mounting position I really need, just to make it even more secure. But we will end up doing that another time, but let me kind of get a good shot and show you guys how it looks now. Actually, let me fix this. Yeah, so we gotta fix that. All right. Yeah, dude, that looks so good. It looks really good. This is how it should have come from factory. Super happy about it. Like I said, it's not fully done yet, but it's on. There she is, guys. So we have a mounting spot here. We have a mounting spot here, which isn't the best, but we're gonna redo it. So we're gonna end up, mainly as long as we can get one here, I think we'll be solid. But I will end up figuring both of these two out. This one, don't really need one too much. It's pretty strong. Obviously this one. So yeah, mainly this one and this one we need to do. But I'm gonna do that off camera. But now check that out though, dude. Look at, this is how it should have come. And this is with the wire tuck. So as you guys can see, nothing going on there and nothing going on there. Super, super clean. Very, very happy about it. Hopefully you guys like it. If you do, leave a thumbs up. Look at that. So good. Alright, I don't know what happened there. It cut me off. But, yeah, help your boy out. Subscribe if you're not already. Help me get to 4,000 subscribers. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. So much more to come. Oh, also, I did get the wrap in just a little bit ago, so the wrap is officially in for my car. But like I said, we're not really going to continue wrapping mine until we get his done. And I want to peel all of that off, as you guys saw in one of my previous videos, and get that primered, and then we'll start laying down all of my wrap. But stay tuned, guys. So much to come. These two G35s are really starting to take shape. I am so freaking happy. Loving that engine bay. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And I hope to catch you on the next one. Until next time, guys, as always, peace. Peace out.